guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I gonna show you some tricks about Snapchat. So in this video I gonna show you how you can see someone message on Snapchat without them knowing. So here is my Android phone. You can see a lot of people they send me message, but I want to see someone message without them knowing how. So in this video I gonna show you some tricks and tips, then you can see someone message without them knowing. Suppose which person message you want to see, just select that person. Suppose this person I want to see what he sent me on message, so just select that person, just keep pressing and slide slowly. You can use your another finger. You can see what he write down. He write down on me, are you free now, let's have some talk. Then just give back. You can see I already saw his message, but message is like never seen. This is the tricks. Okay, you can follow this way to other people. You can see other people message but without them knowing. Okay, this is the tricks. Okay, so in this channel I always show you some tricks and tips about Snapchat, about freelancing, about YouTube marketing, Instagram marketing. If you want to follow my all video, just subscribe this channel and please hit the subscribe button. See you on next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.